Art has the power to transform, to illuminate, to educate, and to motivate. It is with this resonating thought, Incredible Art and Culture Foundation, a not-for-profit organization, was founded.
The idea behind came from 2 points. One was awareness about the environment, and another giving chance and giving platform to the youngsters who are struggling to showcase their art.
This paved the way to our maiden exhibition, Anubhuti.
Anubhuti is thus the beginning of the progress with art and culture. This is our first foray into the amazing world of night, sky, landscape and wildlife.
As the name suggests, this is about incredible art and culture. Over a period of time, our new generation have forgotten our culture, while foreign countries and other people are adopting our culture. We want to have other programs so that our young generation finds it interesting and to integrate with our heritage, our culture and all. That was the motive behind it. We thought that it is the right platform to promote our art, culture. So we want to bring out the best out of so many artists in case of music and songs and performance and folk dances. So performance was kept.
हमारी फाउंडेशन का नाम ही इनक्रेडिबल आर्ट एंड कल्चर फाउंडेशन है, तो उसमें आर्ट और कल्चर दोनों मिक्स है। इसलिए हमने म्यूज़िक को भी से मिक्स रखा कि ताकि जो भी पेंटिंग देखने हमारे आए वो हमारे यहाँ म्यूज़िक का आनंद ले। और ऐसे तमाम जैसे बसंती देवी बिष्ट जी हैं जो पद्मश्री अवार्डी हैं, उनका हमने रखा था ताकि लोग उनको सुन सकें और जो उनके साथ भी लोग आए हैं या जो खुद वो भी आई हैं, तो वो इस देखें कि हाँ गैलरी में पेंटिंग है या फोटोग्राफी है, वो चीज़ें वो देखें। और ऐसा हम आगे भी प्लान करेंगे कि हम कहीं भी अपना आर्ट अपना लगा रहे हैं तो साथ में छोटा सा म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंस कहीं ना कहीं किसी का रखें।
पहले तो अनुभूति, it's a great word that was chosen to represent what is being showcased here. और वो इसलिए क्योंकि that ये जो expression आप लाते हैं, it can be evoked by different medium. And so you had paintings, you had live paintings. In Anubhuti you had live performances of music and you had photographs. So there are at least 3 different mediums that were used to have like an evocative feeling provoked in the people who visited this. My impression is that Anubhuti was a very nice event which was curated really well and it was thought out how to appeal to these senses. We are different mediums, so वो तो definitely एक stand out रहा. And I just enjoyed playing my small part in it, but I've learned a lot. And I've met a lot of these artists and I have a lot more respect क्योंकि मैंने अब थोड़ा उनकी कला के बारे में समझा मैं क्या हो रहा है, तो वो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस मिले तो बहुत अच्छा था. एंड नाउ वी आर कनेक्टेड, सो नाउ आई कैन गेट इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देम और वी कैन शेयर आइडियाज, यू नो, वंस वी गो बैक. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज माय टेक अवे.
Well, I'm very impressed with the Anubhuti presentation, and in this exhibition, the best part is the diversity. Then coming to imagination of the artists, which is, to use an art word, some of them are very surrealistic. You actually have to ask the artist who painted as to what exactly is meant, because it's so beautiful that people can interpret in 2 or 3 ways. But certainly a very, very nice expose of young and seasoned artists, and I hope they bring out more and more exquisite stuff in the future.
ऐसे समागम में उत्तराखंड की 3 विभूतियां एक साथ उपस्थित हों, बसंती दीदी, प्रीतम बरसवान जी और अनूप शाह जी, इन तीनों के बारे में मैं यही कह सकता हूं कि उनके बारे में मैं कुछ भी नहीं कह सकता. मैं जानता हूं आप सभी बहुत बहुत आतुर हैं इन तीनों की अपनी अपनी छटा देखने के लिए जो वो अपने कार्य में रखते हैं. इसलिए मैं अपनी बात यहीं समाप्त करता हूं. सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि नीर शीर विवेकी न रहकर आपने मुझे यहाँ पर जो सम्मान दिया है उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ.
In this show, the positive point was it was a very interactive show. So, like a lot of artists have, you know, interacted with each other. There had been a lot of musical programs, plus there had been a lot of other interactive programs within the artists, within the other communities. It overall a nice show actually.
This was really very amazing and I loved it, and I really learned many new things over here. So I think everybody should visit it once, and yeah, it was really very amazing.
It was really informative for me as I like astronomy, and it was all based about the night photography. So really enjoyed. I didn't quite understood paintings over here. I really like the night photography. Well, thank you.